What's up, guys? How na day? This whiskey performance just come across my mind. Understand? And so let me talk about it. This performance took place in France, though it was not Wizkid concert, but Wizkid was invited to perform on the stage. He was the only artist that invited to perform on the stage. Understand? And that happened on the first week. Wizkid dropped his latest album, Morayo. But what I like in this show, what I like in this Wizkid performance is how the performance was low and high. How he managed to put all that together. Understand? So all the FCs, let's gather here. Let's this performance is it's so cool, so calm. Like if you're having a bad day, you can't sleep, just listen to the song. Like just listen to the performance. I assure you, it will put you on bed. It will put you to sleep. Understand? Whiskey that performance is so pleasant to hear. It's so cool. So of the all the FCs, let me not talk too much. Let's watch the video. Understand?
Some of me I just they maintain. Never go trouble mine. And I'm just on vibes and ting. But my troubled mind won't sing. Yeah.
I don't see him now. See as the chance for Wizkid. Yeah. I swear the performance was so cool. Like so cool. So the FCs, let's get down here. Let's like, share. It's your boy Savage. One love. Stay safe.